Hi, it's Heather from Ringwood Library. I'm going to give you a tutorial on using our online catalog. This is best for materials found in the library or in other PALS Plus libraries. For digital content, go to our Overdrive platform. To start, go to our website, www.ringwoodlibrary.org. And you can find two buttons that will take you to our online catalog. Up in the upper right-hand corner, we have Browse Our Catalog and Manage Your Account. And a little further down in the right-hand panel, in the bank of buttons, you'll see PALS Plus Open Borrowing Catalog. Both of those buttons will take you to the online catalog. If you are on a mobile device, you will have to scroll down to find this bank of buttons. But you may see at the top a link that says Browse Catalog. All of those places will bring you to the PALS Plus online catalog. Once you have the catalog open, at the top you'll see this open field. This is the place for your search criteria, whether you're putting in a title, author, or subject keywords. You can also narrow your search to using these drop-down arrows. You can specify books, CDs, DVDs, large print, and so on. You can also specify if you're looking for a specific author or a title or subject matter. So you can put in keywords here. So if you enter a title and search, you will get all of the titles in all of PALS Plus to show up. And you can see that even audiobooks will show up here, but again, you might have difficulty getting them here. So go over to the Overdrive platform to get those, to get access to the digital content and audiobooks. If you want to filter your search to just Ringwood libraries so that you know that you don't have to wait for it to come through transit, you can do that. You select a Ringwood and select include, and it will narrow the search to what we have just here in our library. You can search, filter your search in other ways as well. If you're looking for a specific reading level or specific genre, you can do that there. So if you see the title you want to learn a little bit more about it, click on that and it will open up the record and you can read more. You can see all the libraries that own that title. You can see which section of the library it's in. You can also see if it's checked out. Okay, and then from here, you can select an action and place and hold, or you can do that even from the search screen. There will be a tool that says place hold here, a button. So if you tap on that, you enter your card number. That's the big long number on the back of your library card. And then your PIN number is 4 digits, usually the last 4 digits of the phone number we have on file for you. If that doesn't work, make sure to give us a call. We have it in our system. We'll know what it is. It could have been changed. You can change it yourself even. And make sure there are no spaces after the numbers. And then click Login. And you will see the title and the pickup library and the button for placing the hold. Now you can change where you're picking it up. If, say, you find the book that you want is in Wanacue and you don't want it to come through transit and you want to actually go to Wanacue to pick it up, you can change that here. But otherwise, make sure that says Ringwood or West Milford, whatever close library is nearby that you would be willing to drive to, you can change it, but make sure you change it back next time to Ringwood. So you place your hold and it will tell you you're successful. It may tell you that it couldn't be placed, in which case it may be too new of a book from another library. We can't get books from other libraries during the first 3 months that they're on the shelves. All right, if you want to find information about your account specifically, you can go to the top and click My Account, and you can see what you have checked out, what you have on hold. That's the hold I just placed. You can see if you owe any fines. All right. Okay, so I think that is that is it for online catalog. So good luck and give us a call if you have any issues.